Hey, welcome back to Those Vegan Chefs. I'm Stefan, and this channel is dedicated to making you a better vegan cook. Today we're making a vegan eggplant recipe with creamy polenta and mascarpone cheese. You're gonna love it, so let's make it. I love the adventure of reverse engineering flavors. Vegan mascarpone is a great example of this. Mascarpone tends to be a little sweeter than you would think, with that hint of sourness overlapping. Red miso paste brings an aged, fermented flavor, salty and bright, to the vegan mascarpone. Once pureed and cooled, we have a vegan mascarpone that is a little sweet, creamy, and thick, with a hint of fermented sourness. This eggplant recipe is on steroids. It is that simple. It's ready to blow your taste buds away. It all starts with the balsamic glaze. Sweet balsamic, salty Dijon mustard with a hint of rice wine vinegar. Scoring the eggplant allows the balsamic glaze to penetrate and flavor the entire eggplant. Garlic confit should always be on hand in your kitchen. It's such a flavor booster. You need to think of it almost like ketchup. There's always a bottle in the fridge. Well, now we need a garlic confit container always in the fridge as well. Thai Basil with its spicy licorice notes cuts right past all of the big, bold, rich flavors of this eggplant recipe. When combined with extra virgin olive oil, panko breadcrumbs, it creates the perfect crispy texture to the eggplant. My love affair with polenta dates way back to a bowl of polenta at Zuni Cafe, a famous restaurant in San Francisco. At the time, all I could afford was a glass of wine and a bowl of polenta. I think about that bowl of polenta all the time, a perfectly cooked bowl of polenta with a huge spoonful of mascarpone right in the middle, mixing the two together to create the most spectacular bite ever. Well, today, we're going to recreate that. The key to our polenta is cooking it slow. We have to almost think of it like risotto. It takes time to rehydrate the corn and have it release all of its flavors, becoming creamy and rich. Be generous with the vegan Miso Mascarpone. It's going to add a ton of fermented notes and creaminess. This eggplant dish has all the components to make for a special night. It has dramatic effect with a half an eggplant roasted to perfection. Below the eggplant we have creamy polenta and our vegan Miso Mascarpone, all garnished with a chiffonade of scallions and Thai basil. Hey, do you know what today was? Today was a twofer. We got two for the price of one. Creamy polenta, roasted eggplant. Amazing together or separate. Go to thoseveganchefs.com to get the full recipe, hit the like and subscribe button, and of course, we'll see you next week.